Pumanaw na ngayong araw ang nag-iisang superstar at national artist for film and broadcast artist na si Nora Honor. Siya ay 71 years old. Kinumpirma ng kanyang anak na si Ian De Leon ang malungkot na balita sa pamamagitan ng kanyang Facebook account. Kalakip ang black and white photo ng superstar ang kanyang mensahe para sa ina. "We love you, maalam ng Diyos kung gaano ka namin kamahal. Pahinga ka na Puma, nandito ka lang sa puso at isipan namin." Sa isa pang hiwalay na FB post, ibinahagi ni Ian ang official statement ng kanilang pamilya tungkol sa pagpanaw ni Ate Guy. "With deep sorrow and heavy hearts, we share the passing of our beloved mother Nora Sevilla Mayor Nora Honor, who left us on today, April 16, at the age of 71. She was the heart of our family, a source of unconditional love, strength, and warmth. Her kindness, wisdom, and beautiful spirit touched everyone who knew her. She will be missed beyond words and remembered forever. Details to be announced tomorrow," aniya.